Uniswap, okay. Last one we got here. So a couple things with this one. So I did have this drawn as a long position because price is above this moving average. It is completed a lot of bullish structure, higher highs, higher lows. You got this bullish engulfing candle yesterday, but now it does seem to be rejecting the zone a little bit, so I can delete this. So I don't know if I would really buy this, to be honest. I mean, you can see higher lows here, like this one versus this one versus this one, so I mean that's good, but there's a lot of rejection happening right here, so I don't know. You can see before it rejected this price as well too, so the zone is pretty significant, and it appears to be still significant. A lot of rejection here, so, and price obviously did catch up to this moving average, broke below it just just briefly. Now is back above it, but I think it's going to catch up again, and it just doesn't look, if you look at all these wiki candles, like it just doesn't look like there's a ton of buyer support here to break this zone between 615 and 625. So I think this might actually be a decent short position. Where to enter, that's pretty iffy. We can delete this zone because it did break it. So as far as entries here, this would probably be your first target would be 567. You would set your stop above this zone, and then you would look for something like this. The risk to reward is not that great. It's sitting at about 4 right now if price came back up to 615. But if you sold it right now at 609, it's really not that good as far as risk to reward. But yeah, I think this is an okay position, to be honest, but I don't love it. I don't know if it's really worth taking versus all the other pairs we have to trade. So because of that, I wouldn't take it, and I wouldn't overthink this position. But we'll mark it out just for fun and just see what this looks like a couple days. Maybe I'm right, maybe I'm wrong. I don't think this is worth taking though. But if you were to take it, I think it's okay. Like I said, keep your stop above this area here. Make sure you try to get it like at least above 610, 611 kind of thing. Anywhere up to like 615 would be ideal. If price came back up here and rejected at 615 again, I would probably be pretty happy about that if I was entering it. And then yeah, just target this 567 or 570 zone, maybe 570 just to be safe. Somewhere right there I think is your best bet if you were to take a trade on Uniswap. I don't think it's a horrible trade. I just don't think the risk to reward is really there. It's as probable. Like I said, price is above this daily moving average, so it technically is bullish, but I mean, it doesn't look like there's a ton of momentum. It's had all of August pretty much, and all it's done is break lower. So yeah, that's my take on Uniswap. I don't think it's a great trade, but I do think it's an okay trade at a 615 short all the way down to 570. I think would be okay. You might get a 3 or 4 risk to reward, so not that great, but not horrible. So yeah, that's all I got. That's Uniswap, and that's all I got for today. Thank you so much for tuning in and liking and subscribing. Appreciate all the support, and let me know if you have any comments, any questions. Looking at getting a Telegram group set up soon for direct signals for you guys with like real precise exits and entries to really help your trading and help you make some money. So that's Uniswap. That's all I got. Thanks.